If you're a theater actor, you know that it can be a little hard to transition into voiceover, mainly because you're so used to projecting your voice. And with a microphone in your face, amplifying your voice, with your projection plus amplification, it can be too loud, too much. So I want to give you a little trick, see if it can work, to see if it can actually help modulate the projection that you're so used to doing. Okay, let's think about planes of energy. Okay, not the Great Plains and not a plane in the sky, but a plane, as if it's like a rectangle, if we're imagining that it's just in the world, all right? So a plane of energy that is actually bisecting you perpendicularly, okay? So that this plane is going this way and behind you, right? So this is usually where you send your voice when you're projecting. Forward into the audience, right? Along this plane. Okay, so let's erase this plane, and let's imagine another plane of energy that's actually bisecting you parallel to your body. It's going through you this way. This way. This is where the plane of energy exists. Okay? See if you can project your voice into this parallel plane of energy. So your voice is going above you and to the side. Okay? So it would sound a little bit more like this. Okay, I'm going to switch back and forth. Frontal plane. Hey, everybody, it's so nice to see you. I'm a character. Lateral plane. Hey, everybody, it's so nice to see you. I'm a character. I'm a character, right? So I'm really just squeezing my abs, kind of squeezing my butt a little bit in order to send the energy this way rather than that way. Give it a try. See if it works. Okay, it's going to take some time for you to imagine it. Sometimes I suggest to people that there's like a balloon floating above your head and you're talking to the balloon. You want to send your energy up to the balloon to keep it up above your head. That might help rather than you imagining, right, all the people in front of you because they're not there in the booth. Just this beautiful thing. Let me know how it goes. All right, bye. Hope to see you on the stage soon, by the way.